Here's a fact most people don't expect. Over 70% of people say their first Brazilian wax was more painful than it needed to be. But the real problem isn't the wax. It's how unprepared most people are when they walk in. Today, I'll show you the simple steps you can take right now to make your Brazilian wax smoother, faster, and far less uncomfortable. Welcome to MTH Health. Here we share straightforward, science-backed tips to help you feel confident and take better care of yourself. If you're planning a Brazilian wax, preparation is the secret to a clean and comfortable result. Here's the issue. Most people go to their appointment without knowing how to prepare. That leads to 3 common problems. First, extra pain and sensitivity because the skin isn't ready. Second, awkwardness when the wrong clothing makes things more uncomfortable. Third, post-wax irritation like redness and ingrown hairs that can last for days. The truth is, all of this can be avoided with just a little preparation. Here's exactly what to do. Step 1. Exfoliate 24 hours before your appointment. This clears away dead skin and reduces ingrown hairs. Step 2. Schedule at the right time. Avoid your period, when your skin is naturally more sensitive. Step 3. Skip lotions or oils on the day. They prevent the wax from gripping the hair. Step 4. Wear loose, breathable clothing. This reduces friction and irritation afterward. Step 5. Stay hydrated and, if needed, take light pain relief. Hydrated skin reacts less and makes the waxing process easier. But here's the step that makes the biggest difference. Trim your hair to about 1/4 inch before your appointment. If it's too short, the wax won't stick. If it's too long, the process takes longer and feels more painful. Getting this detail right makes the wax cleaner, faster, and noticeably less painful. Let's recap the routine. Exfoliate the day before. Schedule at the right time. Skip oils and lotions. Wear loose clothes. Stay hydrated. And trim to the right length. These small steps make a big difference for a smooth and comfortable Brazilian wax. Now I want to hear from you. What's your number one concern about Brazilian waxing? Pain, irritation, or ingrowns? Share your answer in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to MTH Health for more practical tips that actually work.